If you're looking to get on the start of the best printer stand, you've come to the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best printer stand that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, eMerit Stand Shelf Printer. The most trustworthy all-purpose printer is this eMerit printer stand. It is functional, has good storage options, and is of a good size. It will be a perfect addition to your office decor and can easily hold the printer and other related supplies. There are 3 shelves of the printer stand, with dimensions of 17.7 x 1/4.5 to 8.6 inches. The top shelf is capable of holding 33 pounds, while the middle shelf can hold 11 pounds, and the bottom shelf can hold 20 pounds. The only demerit of the printer stand is that it is not portable. However, if you need the printer for just storing the printer and all the supplies for it, then this is the perfect buy for you. At number 4, Orrepi Desktop Printer Stand. If you are particular about the decor of your table, the Orrepi printer stand is ideal for you. It has a minimal design and is aesthetically pleasing. This printer stand is one tier and does not have extra space for storing supplies. It has a wood grain texture which can fit with any kind of decor. The stand can hold weights up to 25 pounds and the dimensions are 15.7 x 1 inches. It is only suitable for small printers. The printer is affordable. The anti-skid property makes it ideal for spaces with pets and children. The one-tier stand can fit under or over any desk. You can also store supplies below the stand. At number 3, FitUES Desktop Printer Stand. It is compact and helps to save a lot of space on the desk. The multiple storage desk helps to store all the print supplies and makes the desk clean and tidy. The assembly of the printer stand is also quite simple. The user-friendly design makes the stand preferable. You can also adjust the height of the stand according to your preference. The stand is anti-skid and is stationary, which is ideal if you have pets or children. And our second product is Safco Products Under Desk Printer. If you are looking for a compact printer stand, your search ends here. The Safco printer stand is durable and easily portable. It can easily withstand the weight of any printer, and its assembly is easy and durable. This product can hold up to 100 pounds of weight. The stand comes with several benefits and will not disappoint unless the looks and design of the stand are your concern. One drawback of this stand is the simple and non-stylish design. However, the dimensions of the stand are 19 x 16 inches, which makes it perfect for small spaces. The bottom shelf is sufficient to store all the printer supplies and you can move it easily. Now our last product is UNUO Under Printer Stand. If you prefer to keep your printer hidden, this under-desk printer stand by UNUO has everything that you are looking for. This under-desk printer stand is your one-stop solution to all your needs. The platform of the stand is 17.2 x 13.2 inches, which is suitable for any home printer. The top shelf can hold up to 44 pounds, while the bottom shelf is capable of holding 33 pounds. The multiple drawers and cable holders help you keep the area organized and lowers the risk of people tripping over the cable. The wheels make the stand portable and easy to move. The height adjustment feature allows you to set the height of the stand according to your preference. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.